Hello and welcome. If you're just joining us, this is Victor Shamaki. On this channel, we make videos on Photoshop, Premiere Pro, short media, research, and we also make video on Funded Designer and basically just everything around how to and all of that. So today we're going to look at Premiere Pro and we're going to look at how to sync videos and audios together. Alright, so this video we're not going to consider how to open your Premiere Pro, we're just going to arrange the clips and we're going to fire on. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm using Premiere Pro 2024, which you're seeing up here, and I have some clips I shoot recently for a Yellow Cast, which is a program I am ambassador on, or basically a brand deal. So I have a 3 camera angle. So one is my screen, like I was screen recording, and then the two of them happens to be my the camera I was shooting on. This one is screen, and this one is okay. So this one is the other camera. Yes, is the other camera that was just very close to me and all of that. So I have 2 camera angle plus my screen. So each of them have various audio. So we need to sync them so that we can. I'm just going to remove this, and then now one thing we will want to go do is that each must have a separate timeline if I want them to really sync. Yeah, so they must have a separate timeline. Yes, so if they are on the same timeline, the possibility is that it's not going to sync. So I'm just going to spread them across like this. Then I'm going to highlight all of them. Then you just right click and you see synchronize here. And years before you have to do it manually and all of that. So but now you just need to go to and click on synchronize. So it's asking you which of the clips should you use as a reference point. So if you look here, our audio 1, so we'll go back and check which one is our audio 1. So our audio 1 happens to be, which clip is that? Okay, this is our audio 1. So this is, yes, it's our audio 1. If I click on this, so if I click on this, yes, it's our audio 1. Can you see? So it's asking which one is the reference. So just right click on the synchronize. I'm just going to allow it to be audio, and then I'm allowing it to be our channel 1. All right. So once that is done, I'll just click on OK, and then we'll just watch it do its thing. You can see it has synced the entire audio together. The video and the audio have been synced together. Sorry. Now, this audio, this very video is on the same line, but first let's just clip it so that it can come to the beginning. So I'm just going to make selection of this, and I'm going to draw it down. Now do the same thing with this without shifting it. All right, because at the end of the day, that's exactly what we have. So if we play this now, you will hear that the audio are syncing, just that the down ones are the one disturbing. So what we will do is that we're just going to this is our audio, which is audio 1, this, right? So we'll just do like this, and we'll right click and we'll unlink, and we'll do like this, and then we'll remove it. So we now have just our audio. Oh, sorry, I deleted this audio too. Yeah, so let me put it to this. Yeah, so this, and then I will unlink. Now after unlinking, I delete. So we now have our 3 videos with their various audio. All right, so if you check, the audio is playing very well,
a situation
all our
whereby
clips
they're asking you
are
to
here.
get a free trial. You get a 14 days trial,
So you can see
and you
all our
get
clips
started
are
with it.
here, and
So
it's
I am using
rhyming very well. So thank you for watching to this video. If this makes any sense to you, you could just give us a thumbs up and like, share, and comment. Come your way again next week with another audio and video syncing video. So thank you for tuning in today. I will see you in the next one.